What's up, y'all? It's the DMV Computer Man. So I gotta repair today a logic board, 2008 MacBook Pro, 15-inch. Arms not booting up, some wild crazy issues. So what we're gonna do is jump right into the repair and put this new logic board that just came in into the body of this new machine here. Got the machine right here. First, we're gonna have to remove the logic board. There's gonna be some ribbons we're gonna have to remove. Let me get my desk situated. There's a lot of junk in here, y'all. That's a sign that we've been busy, we've been working, we've been percolating. You dig? Alright, so first you wanna take this plate off. It's gonna be a flap, you bow, that get that off. It's gonna be 3 screws here, bow, that gets that off. And then you ready to rock and roll. So let's see. Now, first I like to remove ribbons. So in order to remove the ribbons, you can use like a tool like this, some tweezers. You want to be as gentle as you can as you pull up all your ribbons. If you get this done first, then all you really have to focus on is unscrewing things. We're going to remove the battery. Let's start ribbon plucking. So we got that out, that out. There's another ribbon here. And these ribbons can be tricky sometimes because you'll think you got them all out. Then you start pulling your screws out and you find out there's something still holding that board in place. This one's going to be pretty easy. I ain't going to lie to you. Just from looking at all the ribbons that I got to replace. See, there's one right down here in the cut. That would have been one of them tricky ones that you don't see. Now I'm just dislodging these ribbons out. So yeah, this shouldn't take no time. For real, for real. So I just got my wow stick. I'm going to put it to work. This is an electric screwdriver. And we'll be pulling all my screws out. Actually, let me go into my wow stick. This is the wow stick, y'all. Electric screwdriver. This is the 1F Plus. I'm going to do a review on this junk too. But before I do so, I can't review it unless I use it, right? So I'm literally unboxing this mug right now. Oh, shit falling. I'm so excited about this mug because I want to use that. That junk came with a screw pad. Not that I don't already have a screw pad, but hey, Wild Stick was smart enough to know that he's going to need a screw pad if he has a screwdriver. He's going to be dealing with screws. So look at that. Nice black screw pad. The other screw pad I got is white. But in celebration of Black Lives Matter, we got a black screw pad. So that's dope. Wow. You see the LED lights on this? Motherfucker sexy as hell, man. I'm telling you. Shout out to my man over at Executive Electronics who put me onto this joint. It's definitely gonna make my repair go nice and quick. As long as I don't strip anything. Might have to go fix it with this one. Ain't nothing wrong with your old traditional. Damn, this motherfucker is stripped right there. I come back to that one. I got a screw extractor that I can go pull out for things like that. I'm gonna switch the bit up, see if that helps. Yeah, so we're gonna switch that bit up. that bit. So this bit seems to be a lot more efficient, which is this is 00, I think. Yeah, that's my boy 00. That's my go-to. 00 always gets it done. But yeah, if you ever had to do a MacBook keyboard repair, then you know this Wow Stick is goddamn gonna be like the truth when you try and do that. Cause you got about 50 screws in the keyboard you're gonna have to pull out. You can run them things right on out in a matter of seconds. You hear me? So I think we got pretty much all the screws out except for this last fan screw. Let me see what I can do about this fan screw. This joint is a tricky looking screw. 00 might can get her. Let's try. If 00 can't, it might be going to the 00. Come on, there you go. That's 00 for you, y'all. Give her a motherfucking hand. 00 doing her thing. I'm gonna put that jump to the far away. Then you take your components out. Everything should lift right on up out of there, unless it's a screw somewhere. This one look like. Not sure what just unplugged. Could have been a camera or something. So we got a couple things still holding this board in place. Let's take a look from the other side. So we got 2 ribbons underneath. You got one here. Not sure if y'all can see that, but it's a ribbon there. Let me use a screwdriver to highlight it. But yeah, it's a ribbon there, and it's another ribbon all the way up in there. So we're gonna pull those 2 ribbons out. Get that a tug and a tug. And we got one last ribbon there. And this board is out. Now what I am noticing, one, that this one has a speaker. A speaker right there. Has a speaker right here. And this board didn't come with one. No, it's the same board. But they want me to put the goddamn processing, the heat sinks back on. Why the fuck would they do that, man? Hey, Jay.
Yo. Kobe.
This that bullshit.
Oh, shit.
They ain't send it with no heat sinks.
Oh.
So now I gotta paste these bitches back on. Hopefully this shit is gonna go swell. So, right now I just took a break, but what I have to do is we're gonna have to put some thermal paste on the processing chips and connect the heatsink. Now the problem that I ran into was one of the screws that was holding the heatsink down was not coming out, so I had to break the damn heatsink out. Hopefully these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws will be able to hold this together without any problem. The only piece that's broke off is this piece that you can see right here. So let's see how it goes, y'all. I think it'll work out. I think we'll be fine. We should be able to put this on here and have these screws hold it down. Let's see. We shall see. But first, I must apply the thermal paste.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth.